make a slip knot and chain 22. In the fourth chain from your hook, you're going to do 1 double crochet. The loop on your hook doesn't count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to be doing 1 double crochet into that fourth chain. I'm going to continue off camera and I'll be back. Okay, so I have reached the end, the last stitch at the end of this first row that we're doing. Just 1 double crochet. And then you're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And you're going to turn your work. Since we did 3 chains, it counts as a double crochet, so we're not going to go back into this first loop, or I guess the first stitch right here. We're going to actually go into the second one, and we're going to just continue doing 1 double crochet into every stitch without going into that first stitch. Just continue doing 1 double crochet into every single stitch, and I'll meet you back here at the end. I'm back and we're almost at the end here, so I'm just going to do the very last few stitches, 1 double crochet into every stitch. And this is our second to last one. Okay, so when you finally reach this last stitch right here, into this last stitch, I know it's kind of hard to tell, you're going to go in and do a double crochet into the top of the stitch, like this, and then when you're done, it should look like this, and then you're going to chain 3. So 1, 2, 3, and then turn your work. Again, you're going to skip this first stitch right here that has the chain 3, go into the second one and do 1 double crochet into every single stitch all the way down. I'm going to continue doing this off camera and I'll meet you back at the end again. We've reached the last 2 stitches, so I'm just going to do 1 double crochet into the second to last stitch. And then you're going to do a double crochet into the top of the chain 3 that we did. So that would be right here, 1, 2, 3 at this very top. I know it's hard to tell right here, this one. So we're gonna go and we're going to do 1 double crochet into the top of that chain 3 that we had done initially. And then we're going to chain 3 again, turn our work, go right into the second one and do 1 double crochet And again, you're just going to keep repeating this until you get the length that you want. It's just the same pattern that you just repeat. It'll work up quickly because it's double crochet. Just continue until you like the length of your scarf. For the heart, you're going to be needing a light pink colored yarn. In this case, I'm using the Caron Simply Soft in the color, I believe it's soft pink. It's a medium 4-weight yarn, and you're going to be needing a 5mm hook. It's 100% acrylic. Going to be using this 5mm hook. You're going to be needing a needle to sew in the end of the heart if you want to. I do suggest you leave a long tail so that you could use the tail to sew onto the scarf. And then you're also obviously going to be needing scissors to fasten off with. So let's get started with making the heart. Okay, we're going to be starting off with a magic ring. And then you're going to chain 2. Then you're going to be doing 3 treble crochets into the loop. And then you're going to be doing 3 double crochets. And 3. Then you're going to chain 1 and do another treble crochet into the magic ring. And then you're going to chain 1 again. We're going to be doing 3 double crochets into the magic ring again. And then we're going to be doing 3 treble crochets. And we're going to chain 2, 1, 2, and we're going to slowly start to close the magic ring. And we're going to do a slip stitch into the inside of the magic ring right here. Chain 1. We're going to tighten the magic ring yarn that we have here. We're going to tighten it. Snip off the long yarn we have here where we just finished off and we chained 1. We're just going to pull that tight. And there you have it. You have your little heart. I just like to tie them twice because it is going to go on my scarf and I don't want it to unravel. want the magic ring to come loose. There you go, there's your heart. And we're going to be attaching this to the scarf. We have our heart and we're going to turn it around. I'm going to take the one that we tied off with at the top where we did one chain and we fastened off. I'm just gonna sew the end just like one time, just to ensure that it doesn't somehow get loose. I'm going to snip it off. I already did 4. I'm just gonna pin the heart so that it doesn't move. Next, I'm going to grab my needle and going to start sewing. You want to pick up these loops in the front like this and not around like this, because then you'll see the pink in the back. I'm just going to pick up 2 loops from the front. These look good to me. These 2, and then you're going to sew it like that. Back out this way. You're gonna pick up 2 loops or just 1 loop from the front. Sew it. You're just gonna continue this. You're gonna repeat this until you reach where you started from. Okay, so that is it. As you can see, it is pretty seamless. On the back, you can't see any of the pink. You're just going to continue that for however many hearts you want. In my case, I actually think I'm going to leave it at 4 because I feel like if I keep going, it'll be too much. I might take this one off. I don't know. I had originally wanted to do like maybe 6 of them, I feel like now I just want to do 4. I feel like it looks better like that. But anyways, once you're done, just weave it through. You're going to just go in and out of the heart. Just weave in the ends through your heart a couple times and make sure you don't go through the back here so that you don't see any of it. Just go between the heart and the scarf. And that's it. That's your heart applique scarf. If you liked, please subscribe, comment, and tell me if you tried it and how it turned out. Let me know your thoughts. And thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.